My name is Palveer Kaur. I am from Punjab. I am currently an interior designing student at Nirman Academy. I am here. I am learning interior designing, which is my dream, part of my dream also. And I wanted to become an interior designer, a professional interior designer. So that's why to pursue that dream, I am in Nirman Academy. I have so many dreams to achieve in my life, and I am very hopeful that Nirman Academy will help me, and I am definitely sure that they will. I am learning and gaining so many knowledge about the interior designing, which I don't think that another institute will give us. After coming in Kerala, I feel like it will be very difficult for me to join the classes because of the language issues, because I cannot understand them. I cannot understand and speak Malayalam. So I was very in doubt, but after coming here, after joining the classes, I feel like it's very easy. I'm very happy to join Nirman Academy. I didn't know anything about that before when I was in Punjab, but after coming here, after joining the classes, I learned so many things about the academy also, that how they treat the students. But they are very well, and they treat the students very good, and they don't feel like I am coming from outsider. They always make me feel like I am the part of this family. They always consider all the students as a part of a Nirman Academy family.